One of the best things about Logos is your ability to quickly search all your resources to find just what you need. And with Logos Mobile, you can run basic and intermediate searches from the convenience of your device. You can search using four primary methods: the selection menu, the lookup menu, the actions menu, and the search tool. While you can adjust each to fit your needs, their defaults fit specific purposes. The selection menu is for searching your entire library for a word or phrase. To select any word, press and hold. If you want to select a phrase like love of God, once the blue handles show, drag to complete your selection. Press search to run a search on your entire library for the selected word or phrase. A new tab opens with the results for anything in your library, including the words love or God. You can further narrow your results by surrounding the phrase with quotation marks to return only exact results. Or by narrowing your searched resource, like by only all open resources. To view your open resources, press the tabs icon. With only the ESV and the Faith Life Study Bible open, only results from these two resources show. The second search method, the lookup menu, is for searching your Bible for a word or phrase. You need access to the internet to run a lookup menu search. Notice that in addition to the selection menu, the lookup menu also displays. Depending on your resource, it will show different options. For instance, selecting this phrase in a reverse interlinear Bible, like the ESV, shows two underlying words. Swipe between the cards to reveal details about the Greek words. From the lookup menu, you can even run more complex searches without needing to know exact syntax. Tap Search to run a morphological search on the original lemma. Whatever search method you use, whenever you run a search on the Bible, the results show in two different sections. Fuzzy results show smart search results on the word or phrase, while exact results show only those that match your exact search terms. Once again, you can narrow your search by particular resources or passage ranges. The quickest way to search within an open resource is from the Resources Actions menu. Tap the Actions menu icon in the top right and select Search. A new search tab opens, pre-filtered to search only that resource. For instance, you could search for all occurrences of 1 John 3:16. Surround Bible 1 John 3:16 with angled brackets. This will return anytime 1 John 3:16 is referenced, even if it's within a range. The final search method, the search tool, is meant for searches that aren't limited to the Bible or the book you have open. As with any other search method in Logos Mobile, you can include some more advanced search terminology like operators. Type the word love and then the word and in all caps, followed by grace, to show all verses that reference both love and grace. By default, this tool searches your top Bibles, though you can customize the resources and passage range. While you can adjust each search tool in Logos Mobile to fit your needs, their defaults fit specific purposes. To search your library or Bible for selections in your open resource, use the selection or lookup menu respectively. To search inside your open resource, start searching from the Resources Actions menu. To start a search from scratch, open the Search tool from the Navigation menu. Begin exploring your search tools to take full advantage of Logos Mobile.